Surfer is one of the most talked about SEO tools on the market today, and if you're thinking about buying it, there are a few key things you absolutely need to know. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether Surfer is the right fit for your SEO needs, especially when compared to other tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush. So let's jump straight in. First things first, Surfer is an all-in-one SEO tool that's designed to make on-page SEO optimization as easy as possible. If you're used to complex dashboards and overwhelming amounts of data in other tools, you'll find Surfer refreshing. The user interface is clean and intuitive, which makes it easy for beginners while still offering enough depth for seasoned professionals. But is it the right tool for you? Let's dive deeper. Next thing, Surfer's keyword research feature is solid, but not as extensive as something like Ahrefs. It uses a combination of search volume, keyword difficulty, and competition data to give you relevant keyword suggestions. But if you're looking for a massive database of keywords, Surfer might fall short. However, what it does really well is its keyword clustering, an excellent feature that helps you group keywords together to optimize content effectively. The third thing to consider is Surfer's on-page optimization. This is where Surfer really shines compared to many other SEO tools. Once you input your target keywords, Surfer generates a detailed SEO audit of your page, telling you exactly what needs to be changed. It provides specific recommendations, such as word count, keyword density, headings, backlinks, and even content structure. This level of detail is fantastic for improving rankings without having to guess what will work. Now, the fourth thing, Surfer's audit reports. When it comes to auditing your site or competitors, Surfer provides some really insightful data. It can audit individual pages or entire websites, providing suggestions for improvement based on over 500 ranking factors. This is a massive benefit over competitors like SEMrush, which focuses more on general site audits and lacks Surfer's in-depth analysis for each page. Surfer goes into detail on every little aspect, making it easier to understand exactly where you're falling short. Next up is Surfer's content editor. This tool helps you create SEO-optimized content directly within the platform. By analyzing top-ranking pages for your target keywords, it provides an AI-driven editor that guides you through the process, suggesting adjustments for better optimization. While this feature is useful, it's not perfect. Some content creators prefer having more control over the process. Still, if you're looking for a shortcut to improving your content's SEO, this is a handy tool that stands out against the competition. The sixth thing you need to know is Surfer's pricing. While it's not the cheapest option on the market, the value you get from its comprehensive suite of tools makes it well worth the investment. When you compare it to something like Ahrefs, Surfer can be more affordable, especially when you consider that Surfer includes content planning, audits, and keyword research all in one platform. However, if you're on a tight budget and only need keyword research, it might not offer the best value for money. Finally, the seventh thing. Surfer integrates with Google Search Console, Google Analytics, and other third-party tools. This is crucial because it allows you to pull in your data, make adjustments based on real-time performance, and then track the impact of your changes. Other tools like SEMrush and Moz offer similar integrations, but Surfer's ability to seamlessly sync everything in one place makes it an excellent choice for improving your SEO workflow. So, there you have it. Surfer is an intuitive, data-driven SEO tool that is great for anyone looking to optimize their website's on-page SEO. It's an affordable alternative to other, more expensive tools on the market, but it still offers enough features to keep more advanced users engaged. If you're interested in trying Surfer for yourself, click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits.